Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss what does receipt scan mean on Shein. So receipt scan may be used in the context of order tracking, and this term typically indicates that your package has been scanned upon arrival in the destination country, signifying the beginning of its domestic transit. The status suggests that the package has been successfully received by local carriers and your package is waiting further processing for final delivery. Also, it's important to note that tracking terminologies can vary between carriers and country where you live. Therefore, if you encounter the term receipt scan status and require more detailed information or clarification, it is advisable to consult Shein's official customer service channels or refer to their comprehensive frequently asked questions for more detailed assistance. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Please leave the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.